In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Trello, ensuring you can streamline your workflow efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Trello. If you're not familiar with Trello, it's a fantastic platform for organizing projects into boards, and it features a highly visual format that helps keep your tasks in check. So head over to your preferred web browser and enter Trello's website. Once you're there, you need to log in. Look at the top right section of the page where you'll see the Login button. Give it a click. Trello offers several login options, but here we're focusing on logging in with Google, a common and seamless method. So once you're prompted, select Google and proceed to enter your Google account credentials. Just choose the account you want to use for Trello, and voila, it'll take you right into your Trello workspace. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on your Trello homepage. On this page, your boards will be displayed. Click on the particular board that you plan to work with today. If you don't have a board set up yet, be sure to create one to house all your tasks and cards within. Within this board, you'll notice a variety of lists. These lists can represent different stages of a project, priorities, or whatever workflow makes most sense for your context. Navigate to the list where you want to add your new task. Here you're going to see an Add a Card prompt at the bottom of each list. Click on this. Now it's time to give your card a name. This is typically where you'll describe your task at a high level. It could be something like prepare the quarterly budget report or develop the feature for the new app update. Enter the name of your task and then click the Add Card button to officially create it. Once your card is created, click on it to delve into more detailed options. Here you can enhance your task by adding labels for better organization, due dates to keep you on track, and checklists if the task has multiple components. It's also handy to assign team members directly to the card, especially if collaboration is key to this task. You may also want to add descriptions and even attachments if needed. After making these adjustments, your task is now properly configured in your Trello board. You've now set up a streamlined way to manage and track your tasks. Remember, using a tool like Trello efficiently can really make a difference in your productivity and project management. That's how you create a task in Trello. We hope this guide helps you keep everything well organized and efficient for your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.